Hello guys, and welcome to another one of my video tutorials. My name is Rocky Aguilera, and today we are going to be doing roaming user profiles or roaming profiles. Roaming profiles is a concept in Windows NT family of operating systems that allows users with a computer joined to a Windows Server domain to log on to any computer on the same network and access their documents and have a consistent desktop experience, such as applications, remembering toolbar positions, and programs. Now, the whole concept is, if it is you have a server, all your profiles will be stored on the server, and any system or any computer that is connected to that server, you as the user would be able to log on to that system and have your profile available to you. So that is what we're going to do today, and by doing that, first thing we're going to do is go to Start on the server machine. Now we have Windows Server today, and we also will be using Windows 7 and Vista. So go to Start, go to My Computer, open up the hard drive on the server itself. There we're going to right click and open a new folder. This new folder, we're going to name it, we're going to do the Windows 7, so we're going to do Win 7 user profiles or roaming profile. Right, so you open it, right click, go to properties, we go to cancel, right click, go to share firstly. Then now it will ask you to share with either the everyone, or if it is you have someone, or as you know the actual client that you're going to be sharing it with, you go to Win 7 and click add. Now it comes in here as it's added, and this, as you see here, this is actually a server on the domain, or a system on the domain, the Windows 7 on the domain, and it's going to ask you for what permissions to give it. Being that you are going to be making changes to the different profile applications, you need to be able to read and write to this profile. So you share and then you click done. Alright, so now this profile has been shared. You go down to properties now, go into the sharing, and here is the network part. Right, now you need to copy this network part, right, as we'll be using it very soon. So now we come out of here and we go into the administrative tools, go to direct users and computers, Active Directory. Right, you go down to the Windows 7 user, right click, go into properties, go into profile. Now here is the user profile part. There is where we insert the part location that we just copied, and here backspace. Now what you can do is actually type in the user name, which will be Win7, or something that you could also use here is the %, user name, %, and when you click apply, you see the Win7 user coming up here. Alright, so just something else that you can use to actually type in whatever the name of the user is. Alright, and now you click OK. So there we go, we have actually shared or created the profile, or the roaming profile. So here we have the Windows 7 client open up. So what we're going to do, just a small test, we're going to create a new folder, name it Windows 7 test folder. in the Windows 7 client. Folder. Right, so we have the Windows 7 test folder in the Windows 7 client. So you're going to open that and it's in a new document, test doc for roaming folder. Alright, so let's type in anything here. This is my test folder in Windows 7. Good. So, and we save that. And then we come out. So now that we have the test folder here, we're going to log off from Win 7, and then we're going to log on to the Vista machine. We're going to log on to the Vista machine, as you can see here, Windows Vista Ultimate. Alright, so this is the Vista machine, logging on to it here, and this is the Vista account. Now what we're going to do is switch the user to actually use the Windows 7 user and log on to the Windows Vista machine. So this is where the magic happens here, where we have this is a different user on a totally different machine, and here we have the exact same profile coming up. Here we have your Windows 7 test folder in the Windows Vista machine. So just to make sure that it is actually the test machine, we have this is my test folder in Windows 7. Right, so now we have everything correctly configured. So we have the roaming folder or the roaming user profile configured correctly on your Windows 7 machine. So thanks very much for you guys looking on. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and next video we'll be dealing with home profiles.